Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is July, and we are on a whole new topic for this month, and I'm in a whole new location. Next time, I hope you'll see some books on the shelves. That's my motivation. Victoria, what will you tease us with for the month of July?
Well, as you know, these first episodes always give you a sneak preview into what's coming in my physical monthly newsletter. So for this month, we're going to step a little bit out of the lane of straight critical theory, and we're going to move a little toward character. But I'm not going to step into Kathleen's character trait territory. We're going to talk about using character as a narrative convention. So come back tomorrow, and I'm going to give you a quick tip based on something from my book, Zettelkasten for Fiction Writers, which is going to help you take an exercise that we've done in here, the next step away from the villain and toward the protagonist. So tomorrow it's all about character. Kathleen?
Oh boy, I can't wait. Well, we're in a new month too, and my topics also follow my newsletter, but I go the other way. I cover the topic of the newsletter that people have just gotten in their hands. I ship my newsletter in the middle of the month so that by the end of the month, everyone has their copy and we can study it together. And if you aren't a subscriber, you can study along too with us in Fusion Writing. So we're all on the same page. And our topic this month is the topic of generosity. Last month we talked about gratitude. They seem pretty similar, gratitude and generosity. We're going to have to be doing some teasing apart. We're also going to have to be teasing apart generosity from kindness because when you feel generous, you're going to be doing kind acts. What makes them different? So come on back tomorrow and we will go into the meaning of generosity. See you then. Bye bye.